Come join me on this crazy adventure, how I find out how food really makes it onto your plate. Guten Morgen.
Morgen.
All right. Shall we go?
Yeah.
You lead the way. So, the cows are out on the mountain. In order to milk them, we've got to go find them. He says they're not far today. I don't really know what's going on right now, but I've got food, I believe.
Das ist
Yeah?
Schweinefutter.
It's pigs. It's the Schwein.
Da.
No? That's too cool. I guess we're doing his morning rounds, but now it's time to go get the cows. Let's go. Sometimes this show just gives you like a gift. Early morning, Austrian Alps, with a farmer looking for his cows to get some fresh milk.
Evelyn. Evelyn.
Oh, we've got one.
Zweite.
So we were told that the cows are only used to him, so that we may need to like hide. And even when they get into the stall, like not crowd the stall at all, because then they'll run away.
Evelyn.
Yeah, that brown one took off. She did not like me. This brown one's a troubled one.
Ja, geht's rein, Evelyn. Hopp, hopp.
They won't move. So he keeps saying, Vibula, Vibula, which means come to me. And they are now. He's getting the machine out to milk. They're ready. They're already dripping without him doing anything. So he has a salt lick in here.
Ist fertig. Diese Kuh.
All mammals need salt to survive, but it's our body doesn't produce it, so we have to find it in the wild. And in this case, he's giving it to her. Hoeveel milk Kaffee? How much milk per cow?
12 Liter. 12 Liter 13. Jetzt ist diese.
Oh, wow. He's gonna let me milk the black and white cow. Good team.
Ja.
Is it on? Did it work?
Aber das passt schon.
He's plugged it in. He's got a vacuum going on through the pipe in here. And that's what's sucking the milk right now. It's got this tube going up into here. From the outside, the shed looks so lo-fi, just like wooden planks. But you come inside and there's high-tech machinery, a vacuum in here, which is sort of a theme that we're seeing here in Austria, where very traditional, but mixed with the modern. Frankly, I thought I was going to milk by hand. But I'm not against the vacuum. Much easier. Are we done?
Fertig.
We need to get the milk?
Ja, ja.
Okay. It's not as insanely heavy as I thought it was going to be. But the cow poop here is going to make it a little bit interesting getting out. I got my milk. Now let's make some butter.
So.
It's a lot of milk every day, right? Like, to consume this. So it's a centrifuge that's separating the milk, which is going down into this bucket, and then the cream over here. And I guess that was just filtering any random grass that fell in. Oh, here we go. So here's the milk coming down and the cream. Wow. Not a bad morning's work. He's either pasteurizing or he's making cheese. I'm not quite sure which it is. So this is non-fat milk because all the fat's coming over here for the cream. So I put a little cream in here. That's good. Yeah. This is a legit butter turn. This has been chilled a little bit to make it easier to turn here. And then fresh, grass-fed mountain butter. Oh, wow. That's cool. Yeah. And you can see a little bit of the butter bubbling up in there.
30-35 Minuten, dann ist fertig Butter.
All right, we have some time. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and we'll be back in about 35 minutes to try this butter. All right, thank you. The butter has completely separated from the buttermilk here. So it needs to be nice and cold so that the fat of the butter stays hard. The more buttermilk you can squeeze out, the longer lasting this butter will be.
Das ist Buttermilch.
Mm-hmm. Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Yeah. Look at this hunk of butter. So we have a bucket of cold water here. And I've got my butter. I just made the butter. But this dairy farm is a good place to start this complicated veal discussion. Most veal is made from male dairy calves as a byproduct of the dairy industry because they will never produce milk. So if you eat yogurt or consume cheese or drink milk, you're participating in a cycle that requires veal. Milk veal, or white veal, which is the most common and traditional form, is created by only feeding calves milk, leaving them malnourished and also keeping them in tightly confined spaces. Rose veal or red veal, which we're going to be making here, allows for feeding calves grain after 2 months. It keeps them with their mothers longer. They have a little bit more space to move around. Animal rights activists have been fighting for years in the EU and America and elsewhere to improve the welfare of these calves. The EU has tightened its restrictions, though advocates are pushing for it to go further. And right now they have the highest standards regarding space, though in 2023, California just surpassed them.